Hello guys, Shostas again here, and she's back, the queen of the autumn. And I prepared you 3 new recipes of what you can cook with queens. Which ones you wanna know? Let's go, let's start cooking. For the jam, we need to peel and cut the pumpkin. We need to get 500 grams of ready vegetable. Peel the queens, cut into quarters. Core and cut into slices. We need to get 800 grams of peeled fruit. Combine together in a saucepan and fill with 600 grams of sugar. Let it stand for half an hour so that the quince gives juice. At this time, peel 50 grams of ginger root, finely chop it, add to the pan. Also add 100 ml of water. Let ingredients stand for 20 to 30 minutes. When fruits and vegetables give juice, put on fire, bring to a boil, and stir occasionally. When the quince becomes soft and the liquid boils down to a thick syrup, remove from the heat. The jam is ready. You can enjoy it right away, or you can make a preparation for the winter. The jam is delicious and aromatic. Now let's roast the chicken with quince, a very simple and very tasty recipe. Take the leftover pumpkin, peel and deseed. Cut into slices. Transfer to a baking tray. Cut 2 onions into 6 pieces slices, add to the pumpkin. Peel 2 bell peppers and cut into triangles. Add to the baking tray. Quince, about 400 grams, peel and core, cut into slices like pumpkin. Add 2 other vegetables. Peel and cut 2 potatoes same ways as quince. It is important that the vegetables are about the same size so they cook evenly. Cut off the top of the head of garlic and add it to the vegetables. Break 2 stems of rosemary and add it to the baking tray. Next, put chicken parts in the tray. You can find out how to properly cut it up by following the link in the upper right corner. Drizzle the food with vegetable oil. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and we send it to the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. That's all, the dish is ready. Very aromatic, very tasty. Decorate with herbs and serve. The family will be happy. In the end, we'll make the best quince muffins. Firstly, let's warm up the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Combine 370 grams of flour, 9 grams of baking powder, 2 teaspoons salt, and mix. In another container, combine 3 eggs, 200 grams of sugar, and beat until the mass becomes pale and increases in volume. Add a few drops of vanilla extract, 70 ml of vegetable oil, 145 grams of sour cream. Mix everything together. Combine dry and liquid mixtures until a homogeneous dough is formed. At the end, add and mix 80 grams of softened butter. We can slightly heat it in the microwave to mix it through more easily. Large quince about 400 grams, peel and chop. Cut it on a fine grater. Add to the dough. Mix the dough until smooth. Prepare a baking tray with muffin tins. We fill them up to 3/4 with dough. Then put to bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. The timing will depend on your oven, keep an eye on them. When the muffins are baked, let them cool slightly, and you can take them out of the molds and treat everyone around. Light, juicy and incredibly flavorful, thanks to the quince. These are truly the best cupcakes this fall. Enjoy your meal. And thank you guys for watching. Give video a like, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what worked for you and what did not. See you in the next videos. Bye.